to my channel. My name is Felzi. If you're seeing this face for the first time, kindly hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You'll be the first to come check it out. Okay, the reason why this place is echoing is because I'm in my new apartment and I want to do a very quick tour for you people. I just hope this works. I want to do a quick tour, Sha. Let us start. Let me just step. Passage. It has a door over there and then the window. When you step in, the first thing you see is this door here. Let's go. Then we have the sitting room. Yeah. So I like the fact that they've already fixed this for me. It will be easy for me to mount my TV and the rest. It's not a very big sitting room, it's just normal. It's what my money can get right now in Aba. Let me go on. This is a 2-bedroom flat. So let me just show you more. So this is the passageway to get to the room. This way right here is the passage. Then it has this small, I painted it white. If you notice, the living room and the sitting room I painted white because that's where I'm mostly going to be filming with. That's the house, that's the place, the part of the house I'm going to be using mostly. That's why I painted it white, so that I can give you this very clear and good background. I'll be moving in as soon as possible, and so let me just do this tour, like it's very important. Okay, so this is my room, guys. It's big. I feel like my room is bigger than the living room. I don't know, the way the house is built, my room is a lot more wider and longer than the living room, but nevertheless it's still a good one. There's no wardrobe or any decorations here, it's just the door. So let's go out to the room. This place is a bit dark, so we might not be able to get every view, but nevertheless it's still a good one. It's not so bad. It is also as big as my own room, but I did not touch the paint in this house. My own room too was painted green, but I had to change it because I don't really like the green thing, and my former house is green, so I want this particular house to have a different look. This is going to be like a visitor's room, guest room, whatever. Anybody that visits, family, friends, they can all stay here. I would not really be filming in this room. It's not well ventilated and it's just there. Just like my own room, there is no wardrobe, there is no decor, there is nothing. It's just a plain, normal, big room that you get in Aba. Okay, so let me take you to the bathroom and the toilet. So guys, one thing I've noticed with Aba houses, like big houses in Aba, they like keeping bathroom and toilet different. This one now is the toilet. Just if you walk down a bit, you get the bathroom. Let me quickly take you to the bathroom. So here you have a sink, just where you can stay to brush and all that. Then this is the bathroom. This bathroom is not so big, it's just normal. It has heater and the shower, normal. This is me in the bathroom, like, ah god. This is just me in the bathroom. It's just normal. That's what I keep saying about houses. They'll put bathroom one place and put toilet one place. I don't know. They don't know that some people like to do the two at once. When you finish one, you do the second one immediately. But now they will force you, when you do this one, you have to walk down to this place to come and do this one. Anyway, let's move on. the kitchen. Okay, so this is the entrance of the kitchen. My husband just open the door so that, let me open the door so that you guys can see clearly. Voila. This is the back door. The kitchen. When I was coming, I entered through that door. So this is the kitchen. The same. No kitchen unit, no cabinets, nothing. Just a plain sink. The kitchen is fully tiled. It's not so bad, but you'll be the one to fix all the cabinets or decorate your kitchen the way you want to. That's it. This is just one sink. And they fixed, what's it called? This socket here. They fixed the socket so that you can use your cooker or blender or whatever thing you want to use in this place. I quite like this kitchen because it is spacious. I'm really going to enjoy decorating this kitchen. I know I don't make food videos or anything, but I'm going to love decorating this kitchen because the way it's so plain and so open, it's giving me so many ideas to want to do. But whatever I am doing here, that's a paint like the one I use in painting the room and parlor. I'll soon take it out anyway. So it's giving me lots of ideas on how to style my kitchen, the best decor to bring it out. In as much as I would appreciate they put 1 or 2 kitchen units, but it's not here, and that's it. That's the thing with Appa. You literally would ask for it before they will do it, and they will put extra charges. Nevertheless, whatever kitchen unit I'm going to be putting here, I will make sure to do it in a way that when I want to leave this place, I can go with it. Yeah, I will tell whoever that will be doing it, he will not mess up the tiles. It's going to be intact. And however he will arrange it, he'll make sure that I can be able to pull it out when I am leaving. Because obviously, whoever would want to stay here again after me would not pay for it. Would not agree to pay for it. Let me just show you the backyard. This nothing fancy, nothing different, just normal. So they put this thing here for generator. I don't know if you can see. For gen. That's it, guys. That's my house tour. Like, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, I hope you guys like it. If you have any ideas on what color I should use, what style I should use, the kind of kitchen unit you're expecting to see, please leave a comment. I'll really appreciate it. I'll be glad to style this place up with you guys. I love you all. I really do love you all. Oops. My storage is full. Gosh, this is embarrassing. Truth is, I've really been looking for a house for a very long time. It took me a long while. I'm going back inside to get this particular place. I searched, I saw 3-4 houses. Some has good dining, some the location is not so good, but what usually pushed me off is the price. The prices that they are mentioning is really not okay with me. Like, it's difficult for me to take it, but this is the only one that agreed for me to pay 1 year. Others are saying 2 years, 2 years, 2 years. You know, when they call huge amount of money like that and they tell you 2 years, it becomes really difficult for you to pay. But this one, the landlord agreed to give me for 1 year. Gosh, my phone is saying memory full. This is quite embarrassing. Okay, guys, I hope you love this tour. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.